Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off live caption in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. First of all, I open one YouTube video and see here live caption is displayed here. Okay. If you would like to turn off this video live caption, what you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to accessibility, then go to hearing enhancements, and here select live caption and turn off this button live caption. Now go to the same video and I am playing this video. There is now, as of now, there is no live caption. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off live caption in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.